Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add an unique email ID into your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. In the home page, first things first, in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into our accounts. If you don't already have a Google account, what you can do is sign up for one. And if you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started. From here, we can get started creating a new form. You have the start a new form option. You have your recent form options right here. You can take a look at all the recent forms that you have created and so on. And now we can get started. So first things, let's go ahead and open up a form. If you don't already have a form that you have created, you can just click blank form right here. It's going to enable you to get started creating a form. So once you have created your form, it's going to look like this. You can give it a name and so on. I have already created my form. It's going to look like this, a tutorial form for a video. I have my question, answers, and so on. And now I can go ahead and manage a unique ID option that we can use for Google Forms, where we can go ahead and take a look at the email of everybody that gives us a response. So how do we do that? It's very easy. Right here at the top of the screen, we have the settings option. By clicking the settings option, it's going to enable us to get started. Clicking the settings option is now going to go ahead and take a look at the settings we can manage. And by clicking responses right here, it's going to open up the responses settings. And what we're looking for is the required signing option. So here we can go ahead and manage this to turn it on. Once we turn it on, this is going to go ahead and give us the option to take a look at the email of every person that gives us a response. They're going to have to sign in, so they require signing. And once they sign in, then they can fill out the form, and we're going to be able to take a look at who gave us which answer. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.